Oden is a classic Japanese winter dish of vegetables, fish cakes, and other hearty ingredients, gently simmered in a savory dashi-based broth. Slowly simmered and deeply flavorful, it's the kind of dish that warms you from the inside out on a cold day. We prepare each ingredient before simmering together in the soup. Cut the daikon into 1-inch thick rounds and peel the skin. Make shallow cross cuts on both sides. Cook the daikon in a boiling water with 1 tablespoon of rice until it becomes translucent and tender. Rice removes the bitterness of daikon and makes it sweeter. On the surface of the konnyaku, make shallow diagonal cuts on both sides. This will make the konjac absorb the flavor better. Cut into 4 triangles and boil for a couple of minutes, then drain. Next, cut the aburage into squares and carefully open them to form pouches. Place a piece of mochi into each pouch and secure the opening with a toothpick. Cut the chikuwa fish cake diagonally in half. Cut the grilled tofu into 1.5-inch cubes. Peel the potatoes and cut it into half if needed, and parboil, or you can also microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. Make hard-boiled eggs and peel. Next, we are going to make the dashi broth. We are using kombu sea kelp and bonito flakes. You can also use other kinds of dashi or instant kind, but having good dashi broth makes the oden taste better. Season the broth with salt, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. Stir and keep warm until ready to use. Add all of the prepared ingredients except the mochi pouches. Also add the satsumage fried fish cakes. You can make them following our recipe or get something similar from an Asian market. Cover loosely and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Add the mochi pouches and continue cooking for another 15 minutes. You can make oden ahead of time. It's actually best cooked in the morning and eaten for dinner so the flavors have time to soak in. Serve with karashi Japanese mustard. There are many variations of oden and you can substitute and customize ingredients. Learn more on our website japanesecooking101.com.
美味しい。美味しいね。